There's a serenity when you get on the water, especially in the morning. That's when it's calm.
Our family's always been in the water, love the ocean, and love what it does for us.
It's a chance to be with nature, meditate. You don't hear much noise, so it's nice and quiet.
SUP Shop was started by my son, Michael Jr., with the idea of bringing stand-up paddleboarding to everyone.
We believe life's better on the water. We provide basically 3 services, paddleboard rentals, kayak rentals, and then we sell boards as well.
My son always wanted to start a positive business, and I said, that's a great goal. People come down, they get to share this with their family, and it just really makes an impact on their life. Anyone that stand-ups paddleboard is going to feel better. It's like any really good exercise. Once you come off the water, you feel like $1,000,000.
Here at SUP Shop, we think of ourselves as a hospitality company. What I really want to give every customer is a seamless process. And we get a lot of repeat customers, so we also want to make sure the experience is, the same or better each time. Then COVID happened, we were closed for 2 months, and then when we reopened, we saw traffic like we've never seen before. We had to put a lot of safety protocols in place. We put in the plexiglass. We sanitize all of our equipment after each use. And lastly, we wanted to look at some options for touch-free payment instead of handing over a credit card or cash. I had heard from a friend about PayPal's QR code, so went on PayPal's website, started to check it out. It really is one of the easiest things I have to do on the business side. It showed our customers that we want to adapt. When they saw they can, scan, pay, and paddle, they were really happy. Our business is definitely thriving right now. Makes me very proud. I'm so blessed that this is my office. And, it makes me smile. Every day I'm down here, I'm smiling. The ocean for me, it's healing, it's meditative. And then that I get to work here and see it every day just warms my heart, warms my soul, brings a smile to my face.